purchase it. Number 3 is ELEGOO Resin 3D Printer. Are you tired of the same old dull cookie cutters? Upgrade your baking game with the ELEGOO Resin 3D Printer, the best 3D printer for cookie cutters. With its precise and high-quality printing capabilities, you can create unique, intricate designs that awe your friends and family. The ELEGOO Resin 3D Printer boasts impressive features that make it stand out. Its high-resolution printing capabilities ensure that even the tiniest details on your cookie cutters will be captured accurately. Its optimized heat sink unit guarantees a long lifespan for the printer's LED lights so that you can print to your heart's content. But what sets the ELEGOO Resin 3D Printer apart is its easy-to-use release film 2.0 technology. The small and thin supports added to your model will be well protected, and the printer has a greatly improved success rate when printing 3D models with lots of details. Refrain from settling for plain old cookie cutters. With the ELEGOO Resin 3D Printer, you can let your creativity run wild and bring your baking creations to the next level. So go ahead and give your cookies the upgrade they deserve. So if you want to purchase this printer, check the link in the description box below.